At Stac, we create gear that enables adventure. Our first ever 5-in-1 system brings you a money belt, expandable waist pack, a sling with an internal drinks holder, a fully expanded musette bag, and when you're done traveling or using it, it packs into its pocket. All in one pack that can be worn whichever way you prefer. However, things weren't always this good. Just a few short years ago, we found it all too easy to lose things, even leaving backpacks across the city. Every time we went out for the day, we'd fill up any bag just because we had the space, and we'd end up all sweaty. We tried to remember water each day, but it wasn't so easy. Our relationship with our smartphones was getting worse. Until one day, it got left in a taxi and we decided something has got to change. We need a pack that carries everything we need for the day and nothing that we don't. It needs to be made from fabric that is virtually indestructible. It should be fully waterproof so that we never have to worry whatever we're doing. It needs to be the most flexible day pack the world has ever seen. Slim enough for running or traveling, but expandable so that it can also carry an iPad, a notebook, or even a 13-inch laptop. It needs to carry a water bottle, or at least 2 cans for the end of a long day. A fleece-lined pocket to protect our smartphones, or protect us from our smartphones. We'd need some loops to hold a carabiner or bike lock. Obviously, a removable waistband would be handy. Oh, and the waistband must not dangle. It took us some time. 22 months, in fact. Too many designs to count. Hundreds of fabrics, buckles and prototypes. But I can confirm we've finally completed it. We'd like to introduce the Stac Pac, an all-weather 5-in-1 adventure pack for people that want to carry everything they need for the day and nothing that they don't. We've tested it running, hiking, biking, in the water, traveling, at the beach, in the park, at coffee shops. And now we're ready for you to do the same. Join us in making the ultimate pack for a day's adventure.